I'm now at Golden Gate Park, walking Charlie Brown. I would like to get back to what I was saying in episode 1 about following the routine. There are times that we don't feel like doing it. For example, this morning when I woke up, when I needed to let him go outside and pee, like I did in episode 1, I wasn't feeling I was kind of feeling tired, but I still had to follow the routine. And in doing that, then we'll see there are things that, for example, happen unexpectedly. And there's a value in following a routine. For example, I remember watching a Zen movie. The title was Enlightenment Guaranteed. In that movie, 2 brothers, they went to Japan. One of the brother knew a bit about Zen Buddhism, and the other brother just followed along. And you could see from the whole movie that they improve from the beginning of the movie until the end. I will also show you a clip of me chanting that show you how I started and then when I ended. This is how I started chanting the short phrase. paścādbhakta piṇḍapāta pratikrāntaḥ. This is the clip that I put at the end of episode 1. paścādbhakta piṇḍapāta pratikrāntaḥ.